Ukertong keseng Voice of the People's Party VPP Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon ulat peneram keput UMP ke Kongres Ubah Vincent H. Pala dah lailak nyuk hajar kendai sepas vote agi election MP Shikalok Sabha nak Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Kerbau Saleng Sang Mapar ulat peneram keput MP ke Tura ke Agatha ke Sang Ma dah silak san pusan hajar arspa sopwe vote. Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon ulayo sanlak nyupu hajar nyupu pra vote. Kadbau ba Vincent H. Pala ulayo silak kendai hajar si separuh pra vote. Kekertong keseng NPP Dr. Amprin Lingdo ulayo silak prapun hajar saus pa prapu pra vote. Ukertong ke UDP uba Robert Jun Karjarin ulayo sau hajar san sepaan reply vote. Ukertong Klemseng u Profesor Lakon Kema ulayo kat pra hajar san sepa prapu ar vote. Ukertong Klemseng uba Peter Chalam ulayo nyo hajar arpusau vote. Kadba unota ulayo kadwe hajar pra vote. Ban rew spa asapun rew teligi vote ila syakan tak no. Ha Tura Parliamentary Constituency ukertong ke Kongres Saleng Sang Ma ulayo lailak prapula hajar kendai spa kendai vote. Kadba Agatha ke Sang Ma kalayo arlak arpu pra hajar rew spa nyo pra vote. Uzanet sangma jong TMC ulayo sapu prahajar news pak kendai vote bad ulaben CH marak ukurtong Klemseng ulayo 100 hajar kendai spa vote bad unota ulayo san hajar pras pa sapu vote bad news pak lai teli ki vote jasha akan no habapaj ke election MP Hagari India beragawai ke kenhun NDA ke belam dekseng BJP kelatam yang ars pa kendai pesau teli ki constituency kadba ke kenhuan India ke balelam dak seng kongres kalatam haki arspa lai puetli ki constituency haduk porsan bejijan miet jong kesing baar jong tayo.
As you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party and we will follow that vision. Well, first of all, let's remind you all that when we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party, we would be sitting together and we will work out, on a priority basis. So, which of those issues would be taken up, that we will let you all know once as a party we sit and take a decision. Well, we have our own stand and we will stick to our principle, right, as a party.